Lumi22 Supreme Essence for brighter, firmer and radiant skin from top to toe. Lumi22 Supreme Essence is a highly bioavailable food supplement formulation which combines both primary and secondary antioxidants through revolutionary biotechnology from France and Japan. Lumi22 improvement of 26% skin luminosity in 8 weeks.
Overall anti-aging, firming and wrinkle diminishing and skin whitening.
Lumi22 that contains Skin X, combining natural antioxidants with polyphenols of great bioavailability, such as French melon, which is rich in SOD, superoxide dismutase, French champagne grapeseed, coated vitamin C and zinc. Cantaloupe melon, known as French melon, was scientifically documented as the best super-bioactive form of SOD catalyst, delivering health benefits and acts as the first line of defense against free radical damage.
Nutrient for overall skin and body health as it boosts the body to naturally counteract free radical damage such as oxidative stress from UV damage and aging, especially in reducing dark circles, dark spots and hyperpigmentation.
Moreover, each ingredient in this super formulation serves a unique benefit.
Lumi22 Supreme Essence glow from inside out. Let's experience a brighter, firmer and younger skin today.
Click here for more details of Lumi22 for brighter, firmer and more radiant skin from top to toe at beltree.com.my.